Welcome to a place where time seems to stand still. Imagine waking up to the soft whisper of the tide and the golden light dancing across your bedroom walls. Today, we aren't just touring a house, we are stepping into a masterpiece of coastal living. This is the intersection of world-class architecture and the boundless serenity of the ocean. Welcome to the ultimate waterfront sanctuary. There is a profound beauty in the rewards of hard work. Walking through these grand halls and looking out over the private docks, we see the ultimate freedom that financial success provides. It's the ability to curate your environment, to protect your peace, and to provide a sanctuary for those you love. This level of luxury is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a reminder that greatness takes time, but the view from the top is worth every sacrifice made along the way. Thank you for joining me on this luxury home journey. If today's tour helped you dream, relax, or find inspiration for your own decor and interior design ideas, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Your support helps us bring even more beautiful spaces and calming visual escapes. See you in the next tour, where elegance meets imagination.